Welcome to another episode of Boy Toys. Something a little bit different again today. We are going to show you something we've been working on, me and Nat and Deb, since we moved house about a year ago. Haven't been out on the boat, haven't been doing any water activities due to how bad the weather's been for a while. However, we're now approaching March. Sorry, scrap that, edit it. We are at the start of March. And we're about to start on our extension of our house. Now, let me show you what the plan is. This is currently our dining room. Through there, we've got a conservatory, and beyond this wall here is the kitchen. Quickly come to the kitchen, bit of magic-y, probably edit this out. So, this wall here is the wall behind what I just showed you in the dining room, leading through to the conservatory. Now, what the plan is, we're going to take this wall here out, this wall here out, so this T section basically, and this entire conservatory to make an open plan kitchen, come dining room, and then we're going to extend out from here, which this is currently 3 meters, to 4 meters. And we're going to put in a flat roof extension. All of this out. Dining room and kitchen and conservatory. Let me show you what it looks like currently from outside. So currently, this is a 6 meter by 3 meter conservatory, which is all coming out, and they should come out to about here. Now, what we started at the weekend was ripping up these slabs. Problematically, I lost all the footage, so I'm gonna have to redo it. So this weekend, we're going to continue taking out these slabs so we can store them and reuse them again once we start re-slabbing this. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of film the entire build, from the footings going in, for Josh coming in with his digger, and then film the entire build, which we're really looking forward to. They officially start, I think, the first day of Easter, so Theo's very excited because it means he gets to hang out with Josh and do some digging. But yeah, follow our journey.